Question of the day. What is the best software to learn to enter video games industry in 2018? My answer for that is Unity3D. And in this video, I'm going to explain 5 reasons why Unity3D is the best software to learn and start your career as game developer. Hey guys, this is Mark from markjamero.com, and this channel is all about mobile apps where I'll be talking about tutorials, news, tips and tricks, as well as app reviews. So if you have a small business, you're a student, you're someone who wants to learn app development, or even just an avid smartphone user, please consider subscribing and hit that little bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as new videos come out. Reason number 1 is C#. C# is the programming language that is used for scripting in Unity3D. C# is relatively easy compared to Objective-C or C++. It levels with Java and Swift. Reason number 2 is about porting. Porting is what you call when you switch your game or develop your game from one platform to another. For example, I finished my game using Xcode for iOS platform, and then later on I have to port it to Android Studio in order for me to release it on Android platform. So in Unity3D, they support porting, and porting is not easy per se, but much easier than natively recoding your entire project for another platform. In other words, most of your C# codes or your layouting, your assets will be ported to another platform without much of redoing it. Reason number 3, third-party libraries. I admit, even myself as a programmer, I cannot do all the features that I want or the client wants, so here comes third-party libraries. For example, you need to receive push notifications on your game. Instead of doing the server side of push notification as well as the client side, you can use, let's say, OneSignal for that. So they will be doing the hard parts and you implement their libraries so that your game supports push notifications. Unity has a lot of third-party libraries. Feature companies make SDKs for it, or software development kit. In layman's term, these are just group of codes or set of codes that will help you access their feature. For example, the push notification, access their server and their dashboard so that you can use their feature, and bottom line, push notifications are supported on your app or on your game. Reason number 4 is customer support, be it from Unity3D team itself or from the community. Since a lot of people are using Unity3D, a lot of them have already experienced common bugs and gotchas. So most likely, if you encounter some issues or bugs or a feature that you want to implement but can't quite get how it works, most of the time you can search for answers in the internet. And my last reason number 5, is that a lot of companies are now using Unity3D. Even older game companies switch from their old engines, even from their first-party game engines, now into Unity. Therefore, if you know how to use Unity and make games with it, you now have a bigger chance of getting a job and start your career as a game developer. Now go and look for online courses. Check YouTube for free video tutorials, or even check your local school if they have short courses on Unity3D. Just don't forget to have fun making games.